Hey, you wee pupper. Are you the wee pupper today? Are you the wee pupper today? Are you the wee pupper? Isn't she cute? You're just a cutie pie. Yeah. I don't even think you need that leash hanging off you, but I guess we'll leave it there just in case. Chloe. Oh, you know your name. You know your name. Oh, what a good girl. Oh my God. Ah, I just want to squish you up. Hi, Pepsi. Where's Betty White?
Meeting Eddie and Kiwi at the moment.
Betty White is here. Hello, Kiwi. Hi.
Did you guys make all new friends?
Hi, Betty.
Hi.
Betty White in the house.
She got a haircut too.
She did.
She looks so beautiful.
I can't believe how big she is now.
I know.
When she first came here, she was so little.
Oh, are you scared of Betty? It's okay. She's very sweet. Betty is a very good girl. Oh,
Hi,
Eddie.
Kevin. Hi,
If
Kevin.
you're gonna play, you're gonna go to the other side.
Come
Yeah,
outside.
for
Come on.
littles.
Come outside.
Come on.
Oh, little guy's doing a pooples. He's
No?
like, yeah. Oh, oops, oops, oops. Chloe. 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 Okay, bye, Chloe. We're not fine. Whatever there. Chloe. Chloe Pupper.
Chloe, come. She wants to try and get in the mix.
There she is.
Oh, Eddie, no bark.
Eddie,
Bark, Eddie.
don't bark. You sound scary, Eddie. He's like, that's the point. I'm supposed to sound scary. Don't be scared of Eddie, Chloe. He's all bark and no bite.
Yes. Oh, careful, guys.
Do you think we need the line? Do you think we need the line on?
On this one? I don't think so.
I don't either. She's pretty clingy.
Come here. Ready? You go. You're free. You're free. You're free.
Oh my God, look. The socially awkward.
Yeah.
The socially
You
awkward.
guys are okay with it? Yeah? Good.
Eddie and Betty. Eddie and Betty. Oh my God. What kind of weird,
She's army crawling.
what kind of weird, that is socially awkward. What is that?
Eddie doesn't know what to do with
Kooky.
you.
What a
Eddie
kooky
doesn't know
walk.
what to do.
Where's Chloe? Oh, she's behind you.
Right behind you.
Oh, Betty, hello. My God, you sound like you're trying to eat Betty White.
Him and
Edward.
Toby get happy grumbles.
Oh my goodness. Come here, little pupper. She's like, she's all horrified by this.
Oh, you're safe.
Oh my God.
Oh, Chloe.
Eddie, you sound ferocious. Ferocious, Edward. Yeah. There it is.
This is sweet Chloe.
That just looks like nothing but trouble.
Nothing but trouble.
Nothing but trouble.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
Thank you. Thank you. What are you doing?
Wonder how big she'll get.
I hope not much bigger.
Kate, are you depressed? What's going on over there?
Keeping cool. It's already so warm.
But there's so many nice shady spots way over there.
My brother just
Oh, they're
joined
both under there. Hopefully they'll discover the real shade soon.
Smart. Oh, Betty.
Oh, look at her. She's like, what is all
Don't
this?
move. They won't see me. Good girl, Chloe. Good girl, Chloe. Eddie, no bark.
No barking, Eddie.
Eddie. Hey, no bark. No. Good job, Chloe. You're so nice and brave. You're so brave. You're so brave.
What a pipsqueak.
Yes.
What a pipsqueak you is. Hello, baby girl. Oh my gosh. You and Kate are just getting, well, not Kate, but William, you're just getting fatter and fatter. Sorry to say.
I think he's adorable.
Yeah, he is.
Love being